The connection of light. Welcome to the heart of Terhills, a place where the landscape itself tells a story of transformation. As the sun dips below the horizon and the Belgian winter air begins to crisp, you are standing at the threshold of Luminexus. This isn't just a light festival, it is a 4-kilometer journey through the very fabric of our world, woven together by light, sound, and a deep connection to the earth beneath your feet. Why Terhills? You might wonder why this spectacle has chosen Terhills as its stage. Look around. You are standing on ground that once breathed fire and soot, the former mining site of Eisden. For decades, this land provided the energy that powered a nation. Today, that industrial grit has been reclaimed by nature, blooming into the Hoge-Kempen National Park. Maasmechelen is a place of rebirth. It is where the black gold of the past has met the green future of the present. Luminexus sits at this intersection, using light to bridge the gap between the heritage of the miners and the raw, untouched beauty of the Terhills peaks. There is no better place to celebrate the elements than here, where man and nature have danced together for over a century. The 4 elements. As you begin the path, you are entering a realm divided by the 4 primal forces. First, you feel the earth. This is the foundation. The trail winds through the shadows of the Terhills, the iconic mine heaps that now serve as silent guardians of the park. Here, the light mimics the slow, rhythmic pulse of the soil, grounding you in the history of this land. Then you encounter water. The lakes of Terhills become mirrors for the stars. Installations ripple across the surface, blurring the line between the sky and the deep. You'll hear the chime of droplets and see the fluid motion of blue light, reminding us of the life-giving force that flows through the Maas Valley. As you move higher, the air takes hold. One of the crown jewels of this project is the 800-meter-long cycling bridge. In a feat never before seen in the Benelux, this massive structure is entirely draped in LED light, transforming it into a glowing passage through the sky. Walking across it, you feel suspended in the atmosphere, caught between the wind and the glow of the horizon. Finally, the fire. In a nod to the warmth of the holiday season and the literal heat of the old mines, the festival culminates in a display of amber and gold. It is the spark of creativity, the warmth of the food village, and the flickering energy that keeps us moving through the darkest days of December. The visionaries behind this magical transformation is a dedicated team of experienced architects. The project is led by Kobe Helleven, the Chief Experience Officer, whose vision was to bring the success of Hasselt's Luminate Festival to a grander, more rugged scale. Alongside him is Nikki Thielens, the Chief Light Officer, the technical mastermind ensuring that every LED and projection harmonizes with the natural shadows of the forest. The heart of the project's atmosphere comes from Amber Sinev, the Chief Spark Officer, and Chiara Belmans, the Chief Glow Officer. Together, they have curated not just a walk, but an emotional arc, ensuring that every corner of the trail offers a spark of wonder and a glow of warmth. They are supported by partners like SD Light and Sound, and the creative energy of the local Maasmechelen community.